They've stood for over 4,500 years, massive, mysterious, and mathematically perfect. The Great Pyramids of Egypt, but how were they built? And why? Forget what you thought you knew. This is the real story of the pyramids. What are the pyramids? The pyramids are ancient tombs built for pharaohs, Egypt's god kings. The most iconic? The Great Pyramid of Giza, built around 2560 BC for Pharaoh Khufu. Over 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing between 2 to 30 tons. Some were transported from quarries 500 miles away with no cranes, no wheels, and no modern tech. Yet the pyramid stands perfectly aligned, impossibly precise, and still not fully understood. Ancient engineering genius. So, how did they do it? Historians suggest massive ramps, wooden sleds, and a workforce of skilled laborers, not slaves, as once believed. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with true north, more accurate than many modern buildings. Inside, it gets even more fascinating. Narrow shafts aligned with stars, hidden chambers, a grand gallery that seems too advanced for its time. Some believe the ancient Egyptians possessed lost knowledge or techniques we still can't replicate. Others think they had help from something, not of this earth. Myths, mysteries, and theories. The pyramid has fueled centuries of theories. Did aliens build them? Was there a lost civilization with advanced tech? One thing's certain, these structures were no accident. Even today, modern technology struggles to match their accuracy and durability. In 2017, scientists used cosmic ray scans to detect a hidden void inside the Great Pyramid, untouched for 4,500 years. And deep beneath the sand, some believe a second sphinx may be buried. The pyramids are still revealing secrets. Why were they built? But beyond the how, there's the why. The pyramids were spiritual beacons, stairways to the afterlife. Pharaohs believed their souls would ascend to join the gods. The pyramid's shape mimics the rays of the sun, pointing upward, a direct link between earth and the heavens. They weren't just tombs. They were statements of power, belief, and legacy. The pyramids defy time. They challenge our understanding of ancient people. And remind us what humans can build when we dream big. They are not just wonders of architecture. They are messages carved in stone across centuries. From the past, they whisper. We were here. And we knew more than you think. Like and subscribe for more ancient mysteries, powerful history, and epic discoveries.